How to hide posts from Facebook timeline. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then simply select on your profile name. This will lead to your profile. So what you can simply do is tap on three dotted lines of any of the posts that you'd want to hide. So let's tap on the three dotted lines, and here we have options to edit privacy, to move to archive, and to move to trash. So when you tap on move to trash, it will be deleted from your overall Facebook application and your account. But if you want to just hide it from your Facebook timeline, you can simply select on move to archive and it will just be hidden from your timeline and it will be still seen, or you can view it in your archive section. Next we have is just tap on the three dotted lines, tap on edit privacy, and you can just select on only me. Then tap on save and it will only be seen by you. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.